Welcome, mathematicians, and let's get ready to tackle this problem. I want to remind you that mathematicians can solve change unknown math stories by using the solve method. I also want to remind you to work on your goal as you are solving the problem. Remember to study the problem, organize the facts, line up a plan, verify your plan with action, try to use at least 2 different strategies, and examine your results. Let's see. Are you ready? Read the problem with me. It says, there were 5 boys at Jason's party. Some more came after basketball practice. Then there were 12. How many boys came to Jason's party after basketball practice? So, the first step tells us to study the problem. What is this problem asking me to find? Let's say it in our own words. Turn and talk to someone at home. If you don't have anyone, think to yourself, what is the problem asking you to find? If you're having difficulty finding the question, what is the problem asking you to find, simply look for the question mark. That will help you. Then go back to the last punctuation and underline from there and read what it says. So it says, it's asking me to find how many boys came to Jason's party after basketball practice. Next step, organize the facts. What information or facts did this problem give me? Let's go back and reread the problem. There were 5 boys at Jason's party. Do you think that's important? If it is, circle it. We're going to circle important facts. Some more came after basketball practice. Do you think that's necessary to solve the problem? I do, so I'm going to circle it. I'm going to read the next part. Then there were 12. Do you think that's important? Yes, so we're going to circle. Remember to circle all important facts. So, what fact did the problem give me? It says that there were 5 boys at Jason's party. Some more came after basketball practice. And then there were 12. And we already know that they are asking us, like the problem wants us to find out how many boys came to Jason's party after basketball practice. So did you see how I studied the problem? I organized the facts. Now I need to line up a plan. What strategies will I use to solve the problem? You can pause the video, turn and talk to someone at home, or maybe think to yourself, what strategies can you use to solve this problem? Remember, you can find tools in your math toolbox to help you solve it. So let's see. I'm going to go back and reread again to double check. There were 5 boys at Jason's party. Some more came after basketball practice. Then there were 12. How many boys came to Jason's party after basketball practice? What can I use to solve this problem? So I know that there were 5 boys. So they started with 5. So I'm thinking maybe I can write an equation because I know that they started with 5, right? And then some more came after the basketball practice. So some more came. Oh, I think we need to add some more came. Plus, do I know how many more came? No, that's the unknown part of the equation. I also know that there were 12. So equal to 12. So 5 plus a number equals 12. I am going to try to solve my problem using two different strategies. My first strategy is an equation. So I'm starting at 5 and I'm ending up at 12. What can I do to solve my equation? Well, I can count up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many dots did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 dots. 5 plus 7 equals 12. So that means that 7 more boys came to Jason's party after basketball practice. Let me verify my plan with another action. I'm thinking that maybe I can use a number line. So I know that we're starting with 5. So I'm going to start my number line with 5. And I know that we're going to end at 12. So I'm just going to put 12 here. I don't need the other numbers. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to stop at 12 so that I don't make a mistake and continue. So I'm starting at 5. Let me see how many jumps are from 5 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I have both answers as 7. So I verify my plan with action. I have 2 different strategies and I got the same answer. So I'm pretty sure that 7 more boys came after basketball practice. I have studied the problem, organized the facts, line up a plan, verify my action with 2 different strategies. Now I need to examine my results again. I'm going to ask myself, does my answer make sense and does it answer the question? Let's see. 5 plus 7 equals 12. We're starting from 5. We added 7. We get 12. Then I use a number line to see if it will give me the same answer. I circle 5 because I know that we're starting from 5. And I put an arrow at 12 to help me stop. So I counted from 5 to 12 and it gave me 7. So 7 more came after the basketball practice. Remember, boys and girls, you can use the same strategy the next time you are faced in solving a problem. Study the problem, organize the facts, line up a plan, verify your plan with action using 2 different strategies, and examine your results. Does your answer make sense? And does it answer the question? Till next time, take care.